Yeah, hello all, welcome back to our channel guys, and today is also an unboxing video only of this boAt earbuds. Actually here you can see here's the boAt Nirvana Zenith Pro earbuds. Today now we are going to do unboxing of this only, and you can guess this. Here you can see it's just got erased. Actually what means actually guys, I have purchased this product before 1 month. Actually I have missed this while shifting rooms. Actually we have done some kind of shifting, just interior room shifting only. At the time I have missed this product guys. Now only I got this again. uh, Now only I got this product. That's good. Okay. And actually guys, here you can see actually this earbuds I have purchased this from Flipkart at rupees cost of rupees 2,999. Not only in Flipkart guys, this product is available in Amazon also. They are at the same price at rupees 2,999. And even you can purchase this product in festival season times and all guys, even because price will get reduced, so only you can purchase this product at the time and all. You can get some kind of discounts. Actually this price is around 3,000 only. Okay. Okay guys, you can purchase this in any e-commerce sites like Flipkart and Amazon and all, and even you can purchase this from official boAt site also. That's good, no issues in this. Actually here you can see in this earbuds there is a high resolution audio wireless thing is there, and 50 dB hybrid adaptive ANC is there. And not only that, there is some kind of boAt spatial audio is there, and 80 hours playtime from official boAt side. They are climbing through this description actually. And not only that, if you are doing a 10 minutes charge means it will goes up to 250 minutes playtime. Actually I saw this kind of things in description only of this product description. And there is a noise cancellation is also there, mic is also there. It's good. And not only this guys, so there's a multi-point connectivity is also there. You can connect and switch between two devices using this earphone. And not only that, there is a in-ear detection is also there, like plug in to play. If you are plugged out from your ear means it will automatically get pass if you are listening any music means, like this kind of things and all there. And there's adaptive EQ is also there. It's good. And now okay guys, let's go on. It's now time to do unboxing only. Just I need to remove these tapes first. Both tapes. Okay, I removed. Just place these things here, and here you can see Nirvana by boAt. And here you can see there is some kind of features they are mentioned here, which I have told same thing only. And here you can see there is a 60 ms low latency beast mode is also there guys. Here you can see, and Google Fastpair is also support is there, and there's a IPX4 water resistance also there. IP resistance or IP water resistance also they are providing this. And boAt hearable app support is there. 12mm driver, 6 mics with the AI and next technology. Okay. And okay guys, let's go on. Just it's now time to do unboxing. Yeah, come on. You can see here's the earbuds, and these are all the things they are providing. First thing, we need to take this out. Let's go on. Okay, I have taken this out. Just keep this cover aside and keep this sponge aside. And here you can see it's a transparent type of glass guys in this top boAt Nirvana. It looks good and it looks pretty premium actually. You can see how good it is. If I have open means you can see the lights are blinking. Super actually, it's good. Just close this and keep this aside, and let's see what are the things they are providing inside this box. First thing, we need to take this out. Be about head. Okay, just we need to remove this from here like this. And here you can see optimize your long lasting with boAt hearable app. Just we need to scan this QR code to download the app guys. And another thing is product labeling actually. These are all the things, if you need means you can read. It's just like a user manual, smart guide. Actually, it's too big actually, you can see. Good. And another thing is stickers they're providing. You can see, you can use this stickers and all, whether it is a sticker or yes, it's a sticker only. And another thing is boAt head sticker. Okay, and here what are the things they have provided. Let's see. I need to open this box out first. Yeah, you can see they're providing a charging cable. It seems it's a type C only charging cable. And here, let's take this out. It's not coming actually. Yeah, come on, it's not coming. Yeah, it's came. Okay, here is the buds. It seems. Yes, I need to open it out. You can see here is the buds. Yeah, you can see they're providing some kind of extra buds and all. It's good. Okay, just keep this aside. And that's it, guys. Here's the product finally, boAt Nirvana. And okay, type C port they're providing for charging purpose. That's good. Now let's take this out. You can see left and right how it looks. It looks very premium actually. There's a noise cancellation mic and sound all there, and it's good actually. Here's the boAt symbol is there. Okay, that's it. And okay guys, it's an unboxing video only. If you need a review means review video means just I will make a review video later. It's just an unboxing video. And okay guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're having any queries or means ask them in the comment section. I will reply guys, and do like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And okay guys, bye. Let's see you in next video.